Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be part 2 of part 1. If you haven't checked out part 1, I will have that link down below, or you can click on the ID card right up here. So this is the turnout of lightening or bleaching my hair. It's obviously dried, and this is how it looks. It's more like an orangey golden blonde. I'll show you the back. And the color that I used was this one from Garnier. It's in PL1 Coconut. And for today, I am going to be using a color I never used before, and I got it from Sally Beauty. It's the Clairol Professional Soy 4-Plex Liquid Color in 4A. It's light cool brown. I'm going to try and go for a light brown hair color. So that's why I had to bleach it, because the previous color was a very dark brown with some reddish tint color to it. So if you want to see the transformation, then let's get started. So you're going to need a mixing bowl, a brush, gloves, and then I am going to use a 30 volume developer. It's by H Beautiful. Alright beauties, I am going to leave this in my hair for about 40 minutes, and I'm going to see how well it's processing, and then I'm going to rinse it out, and then I will show you the final results. Bye. Hi beauties, I am back. I just got done washing out the hair color, and this is the final result. I think it came out amazing. I really love the hair color that I purchased. Like I said, I've never used this hair color before, and it was the Clairol Professional Soy 4-Plex Liquid Color for a light cool brown. This stuff is amazing, and I believe it is true to color. This is what the color came out to be. I'll show you the back. There is no more dark hair whatsoever. It came out really light. And I do recommend this because it does have a purple tint to it. So it gets rid of that brassiness, which is really nice. And plus I also use a purple shampoo with a purple conditioner to help with the brassiness. So yes, I am very excited. So alright beauties, well thank you so much for coming along on this journey again with me. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, because you never know what other video I am going to do. And until then, bye beauties.